Speaker removal. To begin, you'll notice a Torx T6 screw here and the thin piece of tape that runs across the bottom pan to the left side of the speaker assembly. To begin, remove the screw. Peel back the speaker assembly gently with a flathead screwdriver and the tape that is running along the wire. Once the tape is removed, get your wire and very gently unroute it from along the bottom pan. You may need to get your flathead screwdriver for the tabs. Remove the tape for the left side. And lift up and out to remove.